Shri Ravindranath Kumar.
Honorable Speaker, sir, thank you for the opportunity. Sir, today is Guru Purnima. I am really blessed and happy to speak before you and Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji. Sir, thank you for the opportunity. I support the demand for grants under Ministry of Railways for the year 2019-2020 on behalf of my ADMK party, Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for great honoring our ADMK party founder and former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu by renaming the century-old Chennai Central Railway Station as Purachi Talaivar Dr. M.G. Ramachandran Railway Station. I congratulate our Honorable Railway Minister Piyush Goyal ji for having assumed the office of India's largest passengers and cargo transport network. I am very much impressed and excited on his speedy dedication work towards his work. I thank him for timely approval of transportation of water through rail from Jolarpet to Chennai to address the water scarcity immediately. During the last few decades, there was a sense of disorder experienced in Indian railways and planning was done in bits and pieces manner as far as railway projects are concerned. Whereas now, our Indian Railway has done extremely well over the last 5 years work effectively in all the sectors, whether it's speedy cleanliness, security, modernization, comfort and expansion. Sir, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji already tweeted that our Indian Railway is not just a mode of transport, but a growth engine. And accordingly, I am having a confidence that this year railway budget will prove that is meant for the common people as it aspires for better service, speedy and safety with focus on development of the country. I also welcome the announcement of the government to enhance the gross budgetary support of 66,105 crores, which is 25% increase from the revised estimates of 2018-19. I appreciate Honorable Minister of Railways for estimated income of 2,16,935 crore, and this is also 10% increase from the revised budget. However, I am concerned about the investment to be increased in Indian Railways to expand its network across the country. It is estimated that an amount of 50 lakh crore is required to development of railway infrastructure by the year of 2030. Sir, I hope that strong leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister and deep knowledge of our Honorable Railway Minister would play a major role to achieve this target. Sir, as far as my state of Tamil Nadu is concerned, this is one of the main states in the country providing bounty of income to Indian Railways, sir. Sir, 7,000 kilometers across the country with the outlay of 6,960 crore, out of which 1,166 kilometer distance is going to be electrified in Tamil Nadu. I express my special thanks to Honorable Finance Minister and Honorable Railway Minister, and I request the government to expedite their process and to complete the same within the prescribed time, sir. Sir, I would like to bring your kind notice about Dhanushkodi, sir. Dhanushkodi is the one of the Rama Bhumi, sir. It is the ancient pilgrim town in the south and eastern tip of Tamil Nadu, having strong Hindu mythologically connection with the epic in Ramayana, as Lord Rama lived in this place and worshipped Lord Linga, and this in this place, sir, and built Rama Setu bridge with the help of Hanuman from Dhanushkodi to Sri Lanka. The pilgrims around the world usually bathed in the ocean before completing the pilgrimage to Rameswaram. The spot is considered a sacred confluence on the Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, sir. The railway line between Rameswaram and Dhanushkodi was vanished during 1964 cyclone. Sir, our Prime Minister, 1 minute, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji laying on the foundation stone for this railway line. So I request the government to take necessary action to complete the project. Sir, one minute, my constitution. Sir, in my constitution, constituency conversion project, expecting the gauge conversion project of 90.41 kilometers from Madurai to Bodinayakanur, which comes under Theni Lok Sabha constituency, sir. I urge the government to finish, expedite the gauge conversion project, and also And also, sir, Sabarimala, Dindikal to Sabarimala via Bodinayakunu. Survey was done for 201 kilometer, by which large number of people from both Tamil Nadu and Kerala state, which will be must be benefited, and a big revenue for our railways will be benefited for railway boost for the railways, sir. The scheme is still at the initial stage. I request the government to take necessary action to start regarding this line, sir. Sir, finally, I conclude, sir. I understood the government has established the National Rail and Transportation Institute recently with the aim of creating a research pool of best-in-class professionals for the railway and transportation sector. I request the government to open a new campus in Tamil Nadu. Will produce a very talented professionals from my state of Tamil Nadu. With I conclude supporting the demands of grant for Minister of Railways, and I once again convey my wishes to the government for the successful completion of all projects and accomplish the challenge of acquiring the adequate investment for expanding the network of Indian Railways. Thank you, sir.